is under assault. There's an attempt at ethnic cleansing in this state and, of course, in all the riverine states of Nigeria. We must resist it. We must stop it. Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral. They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits that kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movements. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will.
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, Israel Great. In this video, I want to present simple solution to the killings going on in Plateau, Benue, Taraba, and different parts of the north, including Kaduna. If we want to end this bloodletting, call the military out of those places. Let the military withdraw from Plateau, from Benue, from Taraba, and so on, and let Nigerians defend themselves. Nigerians should be allowed to defend themselves. Nigerians should be empowered to defend themselves. All the terrorists and murderers will run away. What T.Y. Danjuma said not too long ago is what is playing itself out in Plateau. That's why even when there is coffee and the people at home not going anywhere, the killers are so bold to move in. They will travel freely with all the checkpoints, with all the military presence. They will still move freely, unchecked. Go about killing, burning houses without any confrontation. In a local government with coffee, in a local government under security guard with all the military presence, yet terrorists went about killing people, burning houses, and nobody challenged them. The same way they killed during the Christmas Eve, over 200 died and nobody challenged them. If we want an end to killing in Plateau, in Benue, and so on, get the military out of it. And all this killing will end. As long as people wait for the military to come, as long as the people believe in military intervention, the killing will continue. And the people will be dying one by one, just as T.Y. Danjuma rightly pointed out not too long ago. A word is enough for the wise. We cannot be doing the same thing over and over and again and expect different results. To pull the military out, let them not provide any security, let them not defend anybody. That is the secret that will end killing in Nigeria. That is the secret that will end killing. When the terrorists know that the people will defend themselves, they will flee from Nigeria. They will flee from Plateau. They will flee from Benue. They will flee from Taraba. They will flee from Kaduna South. And this bloodletting will end. It's very shameful that the APC-led administration from 2015, 9 years running, have turned Nigeria to a massive graveyard. People are being killed, and the government look the other way. Just make speeches that are meaningless. The military continue to promise us as if they just believe we lack the capacity to think. We can't read in between the line. The solution to killing in Plateau: ask the military to withdraw and ask the people, defend yourself against the attackers. That killing will end. He said attackers, the same terrorists, will run away from Plateau. They will run away from Benue. Simple key. But how are we going to take advantage of it? When you have a hypocrite, a government of hypocrites, they will not stop the terrorists or the killers. No, they will not stop them. Yet, they will not allow Nigerians to defend themselves. This is a crime against humanity. You will not stop the terrorists? Allow Nigerians to defend themselves? No, they will not defend themselves. What a tragedy. This is a crime against humanity. The APC-led administration should search their conscience. Allow Nigerians to defend themselves. Without the military, they cannot defend Nigerians. Anybody trusting that the military will defend Nigerians, that person just gambling with his own life. Let Nigerians be empowered to defend themselves. Insecurity will end in Nigeria. That is the simple solution.
Report the situation in Mongu local government to the whole world to understand. What is happening in Mongu at this particular point in time, the military are the ones sending our people away to allow the militia to burn their houses. At this particular point in time, they have sent every Christian away from a new market, and thereby leaving the Muslim to go and burn their houses. They set the curfew. The curfew is restricted to only people within Mongu, within the Christian domain. But in the Muslim domain, they are free to move and do whatever they wanted to do. And not only that, the military has killed 3 of our young men, in which I know one is before my own church. They killed one yesterday. And I reported to the security. He said that it was a fake soldiers. At first he said I was lying, until I proved to him beyond reasonable doubt. Then finally he said it was a fake soldier. I said no, it's not a fake soldier. It's a real soldier who killed him. So it's not a soldier. I said no, it's a soldier that killed him. Finally they made signal to the soldier and he disappeared from the scene. This thing go on and on. Now that I'm speaking to you, all of them are switched off their phone and they allow the place to be burned down and raised by the people. And this is what is going on even now that I'm speaking to you. People around in Gindri Junction, down from this side to Lagiri side, down there, their houses are now at place because the soldiers protected them and they allowed them to burn people's houses. They are not doing anything about it. So we in Mongu local government, as far as Christians are concerned, we don't want the military in Mongu local government. They should pack at their loads and go. We don't want them. We don't need them and we don't want them because the plan they have been bought. They have been paid.